Good morning, dear children. Let us start the class. Today we are going to solve problems based on money from the workbook of the chapter money. So we are basically at the very end of this chapter in the workbook. That is, we are doing the practice question. Let us start the class. Okay, so the two signs we are using in money is the rupees and paise. Money is written in two form, rupees and paise. These are the two signs used for money. And children, when you are writing about money, or when you are doing addition, subtraction, or any types of calculation, or you are converting from rupees to paise or paise to rupees, you should write in which amount you are writing. Suppose you are converting from rupees to paise. At the very end of the answer, you have to write a small p or paise, otherwise there will be deduction of mark. So you have to write the sign involved there. Division of money. Okay, so division of money, how to divide. So when we divide any number, we get a divisor, we get a question, we get a dividend and a remainder. Division and dividend is always given to us. We get a question and a remainder. Okay, so in the last portion of the workbook, it is basically about division or multiplication. The sign used in division. So this is the sign used in division. Okay, it is a one bar and two dots above and below. Sometimes another sign is used, like suppose 5/3. A slash is also used, just like in a fraction. So that also represents a division, because we can divide 5/3. So to understand more about division, I have taken a question here. Okay, so this question, this is not about with money, just a simple question, how to divide a number. I have taken here 120 toffees were distributed among 15 children. How many toffees each child got? Okay, so 120 toffees were distributed among 15 children. We have to find the number of toffees that one child got. Now children, I have told in one recorded class that about multiplication fact and a division fact. Multiplication is about finding the value of the total from 1. Okay, and division is finding the value of 1 from a total. So when you have to find the value of one child or one person, that means you have to do division. And when you have to find the value of the total from a given one value, then it is multiplication. Now we have to find here the value, the number of toffees that one child got. That means we have to divide the number. So how much, what is the divisor here? The divisor is 15 and the dividend is 120. Okay, now we have to divide the number. 15 with what times is equal to 120? Let us find out. Okay, so 15, I'll try with 8. 8 ones are 8, 120. So 120 is exactly divisible by 15. Now we cannot take 12 because 12 is smaller than 15. When we divide a number, we should take the number exactly equal to the divisor or bigger than the divisor. Now here 15 into 8 is exactly 120. Alright, so each child will get 8 toffees each. So children, this is the question. In the last class, we have done till question number 20. Okay, so question number 21. A chair cost rupees 789 and 56 paise and a table cost rupees 1456 and 78 paise. What is the total cost of both the items? So we have to find the value of both the items. So when we have to do like that, what we have to do? We have to add. So making the rupee and paise column, and you add both the numbers. Question number 22, solve. That is all about division. The division sign are given here. First, question number 22 and 23 are same. 22 is division of paise and the next is division of remainder. So these two children you have to do by yourself. Okay. Now the next question is, read the problems and answer the question 24 and 25. So 24 and 25 is from this unit. Maya's mother purchased a mixture grinder. The shopkeeper divided the total bill into 4 equal parts and told her to pay the total amount in 4 months. Okay, so Maya's mother, she purchased a mixture grinder, and the shopkeeper, whatever the bill was, it was divided into 4 parts. Okay, so every month she has to pay the one part of the total cost of the mixer and grinder. That means it will be, she can complete the total payment in 4 months. But he charged rupees 200 extra. Whatever the bill was, he has taken 200 extra. Maya's mother has to pay rupees 400 per month. Okay, so what is the total bill including the extra amount? So rupees 400, and she has to pay how many times? 4 times. So how much? Rupees 1600. And how much extra money was taken? Rupees 200. So what is the total bill including the extra amount? It is rupees 1600 plus rupees 200. It is 1800. That was the total cost of the mixture and grinder. What is the original cost of the mixture grinder? The original cost was, we already know, it is rupees 1600 because 200 was taken extra. Okay. Question number 26. The cost of a sweet shop having 75 sweets is rupees 206 and 25. What is the cost of one sweet? So in a box there are some sweets, about 75 sweets, and the cost of the box is rupees 206 and 25 paise. You have to find the cost of one sweet. So that is division. Okay. 3 workers painted Aditya's house. His father paid rupees 3,375 as painting charges. If the workers divided the amount equally among themselves, how much does each worker get? Okay, so 3 workers. How many workers? 3 workers. Okay, and his father paid 3,375 as painting charges. And if this amount has to be distributed among 3 workers, then how much money one worker got? So that is also division. You have to divide this amount by 3. 28. Raju collected donations from 14 people for an animal shelter. Each person gave him a 10 rupee note and a 5 rupee coin. How much money did Raju collect? Okay, so each person gave him 10 rupee and 5 rupee. That means 50 rupees 15. Okay, and how many people? It is 14 people. So rupees 15 into rupees 15 into 14. So how much it is? It is 5 4 is a 20, 2 4 1 is a 4 5 6, next 5 1. So it is 0 1 and 2. Rupees 210. So he got rupees 210. The next question. Sinha and his father went shopping. Prepare a bill for the items they bought. So we have to make a bill. So children, in your copy, you make this table. Okay. And make another column. Okay. You make another column like that. And then you write total. Okay. And you have to write in rupees. Then t-shirt price is 125 and Sinha and his father bought 3. So how much you will find? You will do 125 into 3 equals to how much? Rupees 375. Okay. Similarly, you will do this one also. What is this item? T-shirt price is 235. They bought 2. So 235 into 2 equals to rupees 470. Okay. In this way, you multiply 650 into 4. You will get rupees 2600. Okay. Then rupees 1250 into 3. You will get rupees 3750. Now add this amount. Okay, adding this amount, you will get rupees 7195. Alright. Similarly, you have to do like this also. Cherry and Sam purchased the following items at a bakery. Prepare a bill for them and divide the total amount between them. Okay, so prepare the bill. Okay, again you have to make like that total. So 5 into 5 rupees and 50 paise is 11. Okay, I'm writing directly. 25.0 is 25. Okay, dot 00. 15.50 is 62.00. What is the total? Total is 98.00. Alright, so this is the, then prepare a bill for them and divide the total amount between them. So you divide between Cherry and Sam. So this is the question, and this rupees 98 you have to divide between Cherry and Sam. So 98 divided by 2, I think it is rupees 49. Based on the topic that we have discussed, I have taken two questions here. Okay, the first question is, a packet has 25 cakes. The cost of the packet is rupees 450.00. What is the cost of one cake? So from a total you have to find a value of 1. The next question is, three chairs cost rupees 1456 and 77 paise. Find the cost of one chair. So you have to find the cost of one chair. Both these two questions will be uploaded in the Google Classroom. The keywords which are used in this chapter are rupees, paise, division, divisor, dividend, question and remainder. Okay, so children, this was the class for today. The chapter money is over. In the next class, we will be starting a new chapter. The name of the chapter is measurements. With this, I conclude my video. Thank you and have a nice day.